As soon as I wake up in the morning, I know how to brush my teeth, put my jacket on or what. Yo, family. Yeah. Yo, how long y'all been here? What's up? Yo, it's been a while, bro. It's been a while. Like, yo, it's crazy. I haven't made a truck video in like forever. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing a carbon build, but I haven't been showing you anything from that either because wrapping my bike. Yeah, it's crazy. So, today we got 2 mods to finish. I want to say 2 mods, but it's really 1 mod and a continuation of another mod that needs to happen. Okay, let me show you this. Go ahead, open up that garage. Open up that garage. Let me see that truck of mine. Yo, check me out. Check out my garage. This is the stuff that people be missing out. I'm actually not only doing a mod today and also finishing up another mod, but I am cleaning out my garage. All of this has to go today. It is 12 o'clock. I don't have long. My wife is in California. My daughter's in California. My truck is here. Let me show you some of the stuff and catch you back up on some of the mods that we already did. Alright, so one of the mods, of course, Tinted the tail lights. If you caught that video, that was a good video. I didn't show you the graphics when I put that on the truck, but I definitely put that on the truck. Look how hard that is. That's hard. Still looking oh so fabulous. I am taking this off. I'm sorry, Desert 215. Not sorry. You guys treat me like crap. You treat me like trash all the time, and it doesn't matter the salesperson. You guys are f***ing garbage. Excuse my language. Except Taylor. I take that back. Taylor, the person that helps me most of the time when I have something problematic with the truck, she's cool. But for the most part, I gotta take that off. I don't support you guys at all. Let's see. Camel wrap. No, well, not camel wrap. Cow wrap. Cow. It's the cow print. Rims still look fabulous. Look at the rims. Still look good. This is dirty. This is my cousin recently took my truck off road. Insert that video, not video, but picture here. He took it off road. He had a shoot. Shout out to Callisto Creations. Yeah. So if you're looking at it right now, this is super dirty. This is super duper dirty. You can't see it. The camera doesn't make it look extra dirty, but it is. So spots like this. Boom, bam. The plastic dip has did its job and some, man. I know I got to go back over some spots. Because of the dirt, I have to clean it off, get it back in there. This is a problematic area too. Let me see. Problematic right there, because you can see every time I get in and out the truck, it scratches some of the plastic dip off. But still holding up. Still looks somewhat decent. So the bumper is still chrome. I just plastic dip there too. Plastic dip is definitely doing its thing. Everyone keeps asking me about the plastic dip. Plastic dip is solid. You can take it to a car wash. It'll be just fine. There's no issue with it. I just don't take my truck through car washes because I got the bull horns. But I think I might need to take the bull horns off. How are the bull horns holding up? Bull horns. Look at that. That's got to be from sun, rain. It's always out here, so I knew that would happen eventually. But I like the bull horns being there. I might take them off eventually. So I have to go ahead and put Le Cow print on this side of the truck. Last time I had help. This time I don't have help. It's just me. The underglow lights good. If you've seen my last vlog, then you've seen the underglow lights on the truck. That was an issue. Someone brought that up to my attention that when I did the underglow video, I did not add the freaking lights being on the truck. But if you've seen that video, you saw them being gone. Oh, I have to wash her. I know I do. Okay, so let's talk about today's mod. Today's mod is, of course, easy auto wrapping. That's the wrap. That is how I get my cow print on the truck. This here is a truck bed cover that I bought. I'm not really sure who I got this from. What the? There is no name on this box, so I guess I bought it from No Name. Now I probably bought it from For Real Trucking, or For Real Truck. They yeah. So truck bed cover initially is supposed to cover all of this, and it helps with gas. Saves a tremendous amount of money on gas because it is aerodynamic. The wind does not go in here and hold you back. It actually just flows over the top. And yeah, so let's go ahead and set up the camera. I guess I'll show you guys. If you're here for the truck vlog, that's cool, but if you're here for the bike vlog, I'm not doing a bike vlog right now. I'm staying on my truck, but this is my carbon wrap. Look how garbage I am. Look right there. And here is problematic. That looks great. Yeah. And the carbon fiber shield right there. That's definitely carbon fiber. And then I'm gonna wrap some of this other stuff in carbon fiber. So, yep, shout out to me for just doing that. I gotta get the carbon fiber wrap from out of here like this, cause what the heck? What the heck, man? This is all my junk. That's the sad part. Freak. First thing first, opening up the box. Tell you something. Whoa. Always hard as heck. Okay, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I didn't read any instructions, haven't seen any videos on this, and yeah. So if I can do it, you can do it. If I do it, you definitely can do it. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's see what's in the box. First off, they give me this thing. They said that this is for inside the box. Install position. LED runs on 3 batteries. Put in toolbox. Says gun safe. More easy to install. Okay, so it basically just gave me a tailgate light. That's cool, but I already got truck bed lights. So I hope the instructions is really clear. But look at this. This material is like leather, and then I'm not sure what the heck this is. I thought you just lay it in the truck and then that's it. Freak. Don't worry, my Ram people. I'm not skipping not one step just because I know how it feels. So this is a tailgate seal. It goes in between my tailgate, which is right here, I believe, or right here, and it's supposed to stop rain and snow from getting in my truck bed. I'm gonna put it in, and I'll show you what it looked like when it's in, so you don't be like confused, like what? So you don't have to be like so far away. Clear that up. Or I'll put this on. So after I put it on, I'll show you exactly what it looked like. My professional game. Alright. So this is what it is. What is that? This is what it is. It's a tailgate weather strip. So basically you put it right there. Follow the seam all the way down. I put it right here on my liner too. Like this little thing right here. Little truck bed cover. I got that plastic rough stuff. I found out that this is an upgrade because it don't come with this. You gotta buy this. But I already had it. That's cool, right? So I followed the sides all the way there. Boom, boom to the top, and then I cut the edges off. It comes with 3M tape down there. I'm gonna tell you something about 3M. I didn't realize how strong 3M truly is, but it is. It's pretty goddamn strong. So that's the picture. That's what it looked like. And yeah, truck bed cover. Let's go. All right. So when I'm done, it's supposed to look like this. Roll up tiny cover install guide. So look, this is how it came in, all like folded up like this in the box. Things, black things, which I have no clue or what to do with them just yet. A ton of screws. Again, no clue what the hell to do with these. I'm sure I'm gonna find out though. And this is the box it came in. Like the instructions and the little things right there. So let's get started. I don't have one of those trucks with the folding out things, you know, with the stairs. Yeah, so I got my own little step ladder. Shut up. Don't talk about my step ladder. Alright, so these are the rails right here, of course, on the truck. And these right here are, these are the clamps. These are the black things. So those black things I showed you earlier were the clamps. So boom, boom, and then I left this last one not done yet. So these are the screws, right? These are these type of screws. All right, so I can already tell you what my issue is with this. Right? Check this out. So see this. Okay, so you see how this is the clamp. So if you're able to shake it or move it, it's not right? So let's go and zoom out. But check this out right here. Okay, yeah, it's already got a stress fracture right there. It's not much play, but it's a little play. But for the most part, pretty much it's not moving. So yeah, I don't like these clamps. These clamps are stupid. So basically, this is how you got them. This is how you get it in. So they look just like that, and then they got the bolt pattern right there, and you take the bolt from the top and then tighten it down. Dang, jeez, one of my neighbors is having an argument with his girl. I don't think y'all can hear it from here, but boy, he hot as hell. I guess they having a birthday party and he is not happy. He was looking at me a second ago. I know he was thinking, what's that man doing? But I tell you one thing I don't do is leave the house without my damn gun. So, tell you what, we gonna fight to the death, and most likely you gonna die. So, anyway, yeah. So, all right, I'm about to put this, roll this thing on there once I get that one clamp down. It's really important. Hold on, let me set up the camera. Okay, so like skipping all the other steps, I think the clamps is the most important. I think they're the most important part of this project, because if the clamps suck or I ain't tighten them down enough, it's a possibility that not only will the clamp, the rails fly off, but my cover too, and that could be dangerous for anybody that's behind me. So I don't really like this clamp system. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the pricing for this. If I didn't get it from For Real Trucker, I probably got it from eBay. I most likely got it from eBay. I'm like the eBay king. So if I got it from eBay, I'll be able to show you the price of how much I paid for it. But if I didn't, I don't know how I'm gonna track it down. I'll just show you a generic one from another website. All right. Yeah, it's really important. These clamps, they playing with people's lives with these clamps. All right. Okay. So got the clamps on there. Clampity clamp, and then we got the roll, right? And then got these elastic cords, and what the elastic cords do is you go over here, and then there's a little, this is where you lock it in at. So you go over like that, and then under, and lock it in right there if you want it to ride like that. But me, I'm gonna drop that top on them. So no, he's not doing it with one hand. I am. Or at least I'm gonna try. Because at the end, okay. Let me set up the camera. Hold on. show y'all this. It's pivotal as hell that I show y'all this. Okay. So this goes into here, right? And then you pull it down until so you pull it down until it gets to here. So these things here lock into there, and then when you close it, it goes over. This part goes over, locks in right here. And then to open it, you pull this latch here, and this latch does these bolts here. And what these do is come in so you can take them off. So let me lock it down. Oh yeah, I'm feeling myself right now. I'm feeling myself. Let me show y'all this. Ooh, look at that truck, man. Come on, get out of here, son. Yes, sir. Yeah, this was a fun vlog to make. Well, as always, it's your boy, Sister 20 West. Catch part 2. And it's not going to be called part 2, but catch part 2 in a second. Hopefully, I'm not too close to the camera. Matter of fact, let me sit it down. Like, comment, subscribe. Please stay tuned. More RAM upgrades and mods on the way. I got some cheap ones. I got some expensive ones. I got some decent ones. This right here, I don't know if it was cheap or it was expensive. I'll show you later on, I guess. Yeah. As always, peace, my beautiful people. Yes, sir. This actually was pretty fun. I like this one. This is a good vlog. It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.